Today our topic is sale of firecracker ban in Indian capital by state government. We will analyze the pros and cons of this decision. Here in this channel our motto is take up the ongoing issue and analyze the different perspective so we can understand the matter properly before making a point of view. First, it will create more economic and job loss at a pandemic hit market. Second, pollution and impact on health at a time of global warming. Third, tradition. Let's begin. Ahead of festival season, Delhi government has imposed a complete ban on storage, sale and use of all type of firecrackers. Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal said the decision was taken after considering pollution level in Delhi. As the capital city of India, Delhi is subject to a high level of pollution year-round. The level of fire and coarse particle matter we often known as PM2.5 and PM10 which prevalent in the air with other form of pollutant and toxic chemical. All this have their negative impact on human. There are estimated 30.2 million people registered living in Delhi as 2020 into a relatively small area 1484 square kilometer, giving it an extremely high pollution density. In 2019 it ranked in with a PM2.5 reading of 98.6 microgram per cubic meter, putting it in unhealthy bracket of US Air Quality Index, which requires a PM2.5 reading anywhere between 55.5 to 150.5 microgram per cubic meter. This crisis become worse. Pollution through cracker which involve nitrous oxide, sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide also add up to this condition. Air pollution level in Delhi ranked in this year March as most polluted capital city in the world. If we go with our tradition, we can see Diwali is a festival of light, along with that burn of firecrackers take place. As per Ramayana, Deepavali means row of light. After defeating Ravan, when Ramchandra returned to Ajodhya with wife Sita to make it memorable, citizen of Ajodhya welcomed them with earthen lamp called Diya, also signify victory of light over darkness. We continue the same tradition every year with various lights and firecrackers. Third aspect, Supreme Court on July dismissed a plea challenging the National Green Tribunal's order for imposition of a complete ban on the sale and use of all firecrackers during COVID-19 pandemic. As per estimate, almost 1500 crore rupees business was impacted by ban. In cities, Delhi government continued the ban. There was at least 150 producers and wholesalers and more than 2000 retailers will be impacted. Last year they faced a bigger challenge as ban was lately announced. So this year announcement of ban was made in advance, so none will store firecracker with false hope. Also there is a significant chance of increase in black market. In a pandemic hit market where economy and job loss is a big issue, this decision also have an impact. After analyzing different point of view, we can come into a conclusion that health is above all at a time of severe impact of climate change due to pollution, and we cannot deny it. Please write a comment on your point of view. Also, if you enjoy the video, then please like, share and subscribe.